morning, students. After summer vacation, welcome back. Students, class 8 students, now we will start exercise 2.2, chapter number 2, linear equation in one variables. As you know that we have finished the exercise 2.1. From today, we will start exercise 2.2, question number 1. Now student, question number 1 is, if you subtract 1 by 2, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, student, you have to consider a number. You have to consider a number, unknown numbers, and multiplying the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Student, first of all, we will consider a number. Let the number be. Let the number be. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, if we subtract 1 by 2 from this number, according to questions, if we subtract 1 by 2 from the number, that is 1 by 2 subtract from the number, 1 by 2 subtract from the number, and multiply the result, by 1 by 2, multiply, you get the result will be equal to 1 by 8. The result will be equal to 1 by 8. Now student, we have to find out the numbers. Here number is x, it means we have to find out the value of x. Students, we have to find out the value of x. 2x, 1 by 2 is multiplied. As you know that if 1 by 2 multiplied will be transferred from left hand side to right hand side, then multiplied sign change into divide sign. Now x minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 8, multiplied sign change into divide sign, that is 1 by 2. Now students, x minus 1 by 2, now student, it is multiplied, so if we now divide sign is changed into multiply sign, and this will become reciprocals, 1 by 8, and this will become reciprocal, that is 1 by 2 change into 2 by 1. Now student, cancel out, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, that will becomes 1 by 4. Now it can be written as, that is x minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. Now students, we have to find out the value of x. Minus 1 by 2 transfer from left hand side to right hand side, then minus sign change into plus sign. X is equal to 1 by 4, minus sign change into plus sign, that is 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2. Now student, we will take the LCM. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Now numerator is 1 as it is. How many times 4's come in table? 4 1s are 4, that is 1. Numerator 1 as it is. How many times 4 comes in table of 2? 2 2s are 4. Now students, x is equal to 1 plus 2, that is 4. Now it will becomes 3 by 4. That will become 3 by 4. Now student, the required number is the required number is. The value of x is 3 by 4. Now the required number is that is 3 by 4. It is the final answer of this question. Student, please note down it. If you have any problems, you can ask me. Student, please note down it. Now student, question number 2 is exercise 2.2. Question number 2 is student, first of all read the questions. The perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 144 meters. Student, first of all we will discuss what is perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Students, consider that is rectangles. That is rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. We will consider this is the length. This is length, this is also length. Student, this is breadth and this is also breadth. Now student, please tell me what is perimeter of rectangle. Student, perimeter is sum of outer distance. Sum of outer distance of the figure is called perimeter of the figure. Now perimeter of rectangle is perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Student, to find out the perimeter of rectangle is sum of length of outer distance, that is L plus L, length plus length, breadth plus breadth, B plus B. Now student, L plus S, L twice of L. Now student, B plus B, that is twice of B. Now B, 2 is common. Now L plus B. L plus B, twice of bracket L plus B is the perimeter of rectangle. Please note down it and keep in mind that perimeter of rectangle is twice of bracket L plus B. Twice of bracket L plus B. Now student, we will discuss question number 2. Question number 2, that is depend on perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Now perimeter of rectangle of swimming pool is 144 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What is the length and breadth of the pool? Students, first of all we will consider the breadth of rectangular swimming pool B. Let breadth of rectangular swimming pool be x meter. Now student, length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Twice means multiplied the breadth with 2. Multiplied the breadth with 2 and 2 more. 2 more means addition of 2. Now length of rectangular swimming pool B. Student, twice the breadth multiplied the breadth by 2. Twice the breadth and 2 more addition of 2. That is the length of your rectangular swimming pool. Now student, perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is according to formula. that is your length, and this is your breadth. This is your breadth. Now perimeter of rectangular swimming pool B, twice of L plus B. Student, what is L? What is L? What is L? L is 2x plus 2. L means length and breadth is x. Now student, 2x plus x. Student, 2x and x are like terms. X and x are like terms. You have to add only coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of x is 1. You have to add only coefficient. 2 plus 1, that is 3x. Now 3x plus 2. These are meters. This is the meters. Students, this is your perimeter of rectangular swimming pools. Now students, perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. That is given. Now perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is this, and rectangle or swimming pool is 154 meters is given. That will be equal to 154 meters. According to questions. According to question. Now this is perimeter 3x plus 2, and that is also perimeter, that is 154. Now it will be equalized. Now student, we have to find out the value of x, and as you know that this 2 is multiplied to this. Now if we will transfer 2 from this side, this multiplied sign change into divide sign, so 154 divided by 2. Now this will become 3x plus 2. 154 divided by 2, that is 2 7 ja 54, 2 7 ja 54. Now student, we have to find out the value of x. Now it will becomes 3x plus 2, that is equal to 77. Now 3x is equal to 77. Now student, we have to find out the value of x. To find the value of x, we will transfer plus 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So plus sign change into minus sign, that is minus 2. Now 3x is equal to 75. Now student, we have to find out the value of x, that is 75, and 3 is multiplied to x. Now it will divide it. Multiplied sign change into divide sign. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja. Now that is x is equal to 25. So now what is x? X is the breadth of rectangular swimming pools. Now breadth of rectangular swimming pool is breadth of rectangular swimming pool B, that is x meter, that is 25 meters. And length is 2x plus 2. Length of rectangular swimming pool is be, that is 2x plus 2 meters, that is 2 into x, the value of x is 25, 25 plus 2, that is meters. Now student, 25 into 2, that is 50, that is 50 plus 2, that is 52 meter, will be the length of swimming pool. 52 meter will be the length of swimming pool. Now breadth of swimming pool is 25 meter and length of swimming pool will be 52 meter. Student, please note down it. Note down it. Now student, question number 3 is, student, this is your isosceles triangle. This is your isosceles triangle ABC. In question number 3, this is your isosceles triangle. As you know that in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. This side is equal to this. This is your x centimeter. This is your x centimeter. Now student, base of isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3 centimeter is given. 4 upon 3 centimeter is given. Now student, we have to find out the perimeter of isosceles triangle. Perimeter of isosceles triangle is sum of all three sides. Perimeter of isosceles triangle is perimeter of an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is sum of all three sides, that is x plus x, that is 4 by 3 centimeter. Now student, x and x are like terms. Coefficient of x will be added, that will become 2x, and that is 4 upon 3 centimeter. Now perimeter of isosceles triangle ABC is, that is given, perimeter of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle ABC is, that is 4 2 by 15 centimeter. 4 2 by 15 centimeter. That is 50. This is your mixed fraction. Student, 4 2 by 15 is your mixed fraction. We have to convert into improper fractions. To convert into improper fractions, so 15 is multiplied to 4. 15 is multiplied to 4. After that 2 is added, divided by 15. Now student, it will becomes, it will 15 4 is 16 plus 2 by 15, that is 62 by 15 centimeter. 62 by 15 centimeter. Now students, this is the perimeter of isosceles triangles and this is also the perimeter of isosceles triangles. Now it will equalize to this. It will equalize to this. Why? This is also the perimeter of isosceles triangle ABC. This is also the perimeter of isosceles triangle ABC. So it will equalize to this. Now 2x plus, now students, 2x now students, according to questions, according to question, according to questions. Now student, 2x plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 62 by 15. 62 by 15. Now we have to find out the value of x. Now we have to find out the value of x. To find the value of x, plus 4 by 3 is transferred from left hand side to right hand side, that is 2x. Now plus 4 by 3 is transferred from left hand side to right hand side. Now plus sign is changed into minus sign, that is 62 by 15, and that is minus 4 by 3. Now student, 2x, that is 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. To solve it, we will take the LCM of 15 and 3. LCM of 15 and 3. 3 is 15. 15. LCM is 15. Now students, 62 as it is. How many times 15 come in table of 15? 15 ones are 15. Now that is 4. How many times 15 come in table of 3? 3 5s are 15. Now student, we have to find out the value of that is 2x. 62 ones are 62. 4 5s are 20. Now student, that is 15. Now we have to find out the value of x. 2x, that will become 62 minus 20, that is 42 by 15. 42 by 15. Now we have to find out the value of x. 2 is multiplied to x, so it will transfer 2 from left hand side to right hand side. It will divide it. It will divide 42 by 15. Now students, x is equal to 42 by 15 divided by 2 by 1. Now x is equal to 42 by 15. Multiply sign change in divide sign change into multiply sign, and it will becomes reciprocal, that is 1 by 2. Now student, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. X is equal to 7 by 5 centimeter. Now student, x is equal to 7 by 5 centimeter. We have to convert into improper fractions. To convert the improper fraction, divide 7 by 5. 5 1s are 5, that is remainder 2. Now student, it will become improper fraction. 1 2 by 7. 1 2 by 7 centimeter. So length of remaining equal sides. Length of equal sides are, length of equal side of isosceles triangle are is length of equal sides. Length of equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle B. Triangle B. That is 1 2 by 5 centimeter. Student, please note down it. Student, please note down it. Students, in homework you have to complete question number 1 2 3. Question number 1 2 3 of exercise 2.2 in your fair notebook, and in homework you have to complete question number example number 5th and 6th. Example number 5th and 6th in your fair notebook. Okay student, thank you.